Hello guys, let's first create a folder named CORS. We are going to solve CORS error today. So we will first create the error, then we will solve it. Always do same. So first let's create two folder. One is for client side and another is for server side. So spelling mistake. Let's create it, correct it. Server and second one is client. Okay. Now we are going to open both folder in different VS Code. Let's open server. Oh, open in terminal by mistake. It's okay. Now open in VS Code. Okay then. Guys, let's first set up our server. Open the new terminal and do npm init. Okay. npm init. Okay. Name it as course and set all thing by default. Say okay. Now it's done. So we are going to install some packages like Express, Body Parser, and CORS. We are installing CORS, but not you. We will not use it for now. But later, when we will solving the problem, we will use CORS. So let's install all of these. It will take time. So now let's create a file index.js, our entry point. Now let's code const express equal to require express auto suggestion. So bad. Const body parser. We will import body parser too. Require body parser for handling. For now, we are not using body parser by the way. Still, let's keep it. And const port equal to 5000. Our server will run on port 5000. So now let's do const app equal to express. We're going to create express server. Now let's do app.listen. It takes two things. First one is port and second one is a function. So let's do it. First thing is port and spelling of port is wrong. Again wrong. And second thing is a function. And we will console server is running on port 5000. Okay, port 5000 port. So it's done. Now let's run the server. Nodemon index.js. Okay, we get some error. Okay, so here our express spelling is wrong. I do always do wrong spelling, correct spellings. Okay, now server is running on port 5000. Okay, now let's define a root route, which will return hello in response. Okay, res request and res arrow function res dot send and this will send hello. Okay, now it's done for now. Now we have to code for client side. So basically, here we are. Okay, let's close all this and open in a single VS Code, both folders. Open with code. Okay, now let's open terminal. No terminal. In one terminal, we are going to run nodemon server, node server, nodemon index.js. Okay, now open client and new terminal. Okay, and we are going to install React White. So I have already opened the document. npm create white latest, then project name, then template, and different template you want to choose. Okay, so let's do it. npm create white latest. Control control cd cd. Okay, done wrong. Cd. Let's delete client because that command will already create a folder for us. npm create white latest client react. Okay, go yes, then select react TypeScript. We are going to use TypeScript version of React. Okay, now let's go to the folder client src app.tsx, and here it's showing lots of error. Okay, okay. Let's first install npm i. Do npm i. Install all the packages, modules. Okay, okay. Wait. It will install soon. Yeah, node module installed. It is installing. Yeah, installed. Now all the errors are gone. Okay, now we are going to run this project. First, we'll see what is in it. npm run there, and let's open it. And yeah, it is opening. Okay, this is the by default screen which white plus the X provide us count. It will increase the count to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, we don't need this code, so we are going to remove it. Yeah, we remove it. We also don't need this state, so remove all of these things. And now we are going into our server. And here we will send something else in response, like user detail. Let's send user detail. Okay, create an object user. We have to create array. So user, yes, then ID, name, and age. Name will be there, and age is 21. Let's create another user. Copy and paste. Paste and ID will be 2. Name will be Ram. and age 23. Okay, it's done. Now move to app.tsx and we are going to call here. We are going to call the that route and get the data from that route. So first create a state user and set user equal to use state and give an empty array for now. Empty array, not an object, empty array. Okay, now we will use effect. This is an arrow function and this is dependency array. Inside the arrow function, we will call fetch. Fetch. Okay. Okay. Let's do fetch. Fetch. We will give URL later. So for now, we are going to keep it URL. We will give endpoint later. Dot then, and in it we will take response and check if response is okay or not. If response is not okay, then we will throw an error. Not rest dot. Okay. Okay. Rest dot. Okay. Then throw new error. Oh no, error is spelling wrong. Bracket for HTTP error sign plus rest dot status. Throw rest dot status plus rest dot status. No return. If everything is fine, then return rest.json. Okay, return rest.json. Let's do dot then and here we will get data, that is rest.json data. And set user data.user dot catch. If there is an error, then we will catch it in catch block. So dot then catch error and error and we will console dot log error. Okay, console dot log error. Yeah, done. Now let's show all this detail on UI. So we are going to map user data. If user dot length greater than 0, then we will do user dot map, then take data index and we will return div h2 username data dot name. Okay, I have done wrong here. We will do user dot name here and then user dot age. Okay, bracket close. I forgot bracket close here and here. Okay, done. Still fine from Okay, so let's define type first. So we are going to define type. So user array, user ID, number, and name, string, and then page number, and it can be empty array too. And this should be array of this object type. So at last we are going to add now. Now it should be right. Still find out what is the problem. Okay. Yeah, I have chosen user.data. Uh, okay, let's use Copilot. It will solve it. Oh, I have used user. I have mapped the data using data params and I am using. Okay, let's continue. H1 user data. Okay, let's see. Now it comes here. Okay, now everything is done. We will give URL here endpoint. So let's say what is our endpoint. Localhost 5000, host 5000, enter, and copy it. Copy this. This is our endpoint. Control V. Yeah, this is our endpoint. So now consider, let's see, inspect. Testing and console. Here. Access to page at HTTP localhost 5000 from origin. Then localhost time 173 has been blocked by CORS policy. So see, this is the CORS error. You will get when you will access the packet from the another port and your packet is running on another port. Here my server is running on port 5000 and my client is running on 5173. That's why we have to allow our port 5173 our backend. So let's do it. So we are going to add a middleware. We are going to add a middleware name CORS. Okay, app.use CORS. Let's import CORS. Const CORS equal to require CORS. Okay, it's done. By default, it will let any port to access the backend. I still getting the let's remove it and try one more time. Okay, no. See, I am getting the response. Here, that is because of key. Let's add key. When we do mapping in anything, then we have to give key. Key equal to IDX. Now, error will be gone. Yeah, done. Okay, see, my data is coming. The 21 RAM 23. Okay, now let me show you some another thing. You can add origin here. A param. You can pass params in calls. There are many params and options you can see on docs. Let's talk about origin only. So origin allows to specify specific ports. Means let's do it. Okay. Origin, colon, and then our URL of client side. Okay. Now only this port is allowed to access the backend. This endpoint access the backend. Let's see if we do some changes. Then what happens? It will not show error. Okay. This will show the error, but it's not showing. Let's check. Okay, change it to 5454. Okay, now let's try again. Localhost 5173. Still I am getting the data. Okay, let's go to the start again. Still getting the data. Something is wrong. Let me see. Let me turn off the server. Again restart it. Because it should not allow this port to access the backend. Okay, still it can access the backend. Okay, and comment this. Still it can access the backend. Maybe some it has already gained access to the backend. So just close that tab and open new tab and try again. Three. Still getting the data. Okay, let's open another Google Chrome with another ID. Okay, here we are getting the error. See, CORS error. Let's uncomment it and refresh this. See, we are getting the response CORS error. HTTP localhost 5454 only are allowed to access the backend for now. So let's do it. 5173. Still not getting the response. Okay, here I have done one thing wrong. I have written I had written HTTP localhost 5173 slash, that is root root. So I don't have to give slash. So let's do it. See, I have given slash and here there is no slash. That I have done wrong. So let's remove this line and now try it and see what is. I have already get the response. See, user data dev 21 ram 23. Okay, devs. Good night.